Lindokuhle Zikhali of Richards Bay, the Natal Rich Boys, has been one of my favorite central midfielders in the past 2 seasons. I think I started noticing him in the season 2024-2025, and yeah, he was my player to watch for the 2025-2026, and boy, he did deliver. I think, yeah, most of the people that have watched Richards Bay probably know this jersey number 36, who occupies both boxes seamlessly. I mean, he's comfortable in his own box to receive, during build up, and help the team out of the first phase. But he's also got the endurance to be found in the opposition box, creating and scoring goals. I think he's got 2 goals this season, this past season actually, and I expect more actually from him in the 2026-2027 season. He's only 21, so at that age I expect him to be only peaking, and yeah, we are still going to see his best for sure. I've spoken to a couple of people, some that say they've played against him, and they, talk to me, they talk about his mentality, during the games. This other guy that I spoke to on social media said he was playing against him, you know, and uZikhali bathi nguSiphuzo sabantwana. uSiphuzo was a little bit rough during the match, kicking this Grootman, and this Grootman, after a few kicks, he stands up and say, "Hey mfana, usasemncane yabona, you still have a bright future, so you need to be careful, because if I would return the favor, it wouldn't be nice." And his response was that, "Bring it on, Grootman." So for me, that's the kind of mentality that you need in a football player, especially a midfielder. You need a player that, yes, respect the opponent, but don't fear the opponent. Believe that you are also good enough, to be in that midfield and own that midfield. I mean, this is the player who's showed up against, the teams. I mean, the team that won the league, Orlando Pirates. He was one of the best players in the game they played in Orlando Amstel Arena. I thought character, that's how you define character. And most importantly for me is how consistent he is. He doesn't only show up in the big games or the matches against the big teams. He shows up consistently. I normally watch him in the not so big matches, and he always shows up. He works so hard on and off the ball. He is technically very good. He's good with the interplay, his passing is very good. Long and short passing range is very good. He is good with breaking the lines as well, and I think I like how much he works off the ball, to get in the good positions, to be able to receive the pass, and his ability on the ball now to see the pass. I think he's definitely one of the players to watch, and his late runs into the box, to give him a chance to score some goals. So this coming season, I expect some goals from him, and I expect some more big performances, especially because Umthetwa has gone to Stellenbosch. I think that is going to give him and Umthembu more responsibilities in that midfield of Richards Bay. But yeah, 1v1 family, that's the one. Lindokuhle Siphuzo Sabantwana Zikhali. Look out for this name in this coming season. Cheers.